Guys, I almost didn't make it. Can you believe it? And I done it. My best ever frame, made from scratch, purely by me. Oh my God. I love it. I made this painting when I felt very stuck. And when I was then talking to my friends about the stuckness, I realized all of us just get stuck on autopilot and don't know how to get out of it. So if you are interested, actually, I made another video about my 3 teeny habits which helped me and hopefully will help you. So check it out and let me know. I felt I need to challenge myself further. When I was looking on my picture, where I try to capture our pure women strength, my strength, knowing we are just only stacked. I wanted something even stronger than that. So I decided to build a frame made from scratch, from raw wood, and challenge what we can do, how strong we are even more. I've never done anything like this before. Usually I just tell myself it's too much. I'll probably mess it up. So I stay where I felt safe, but safe was starting to feel a lot like being stuck. And honestly, it didn't go right the first time. Actually, it didn't go right a few times. That's normally where I would stop and walk away. But this time I didn't. Not because I suddenly felt confident. I just didn't stop straight away. I kept going, fixing things, trying again. Nothing perfect, just continuing. I think for a long time I've been holding myself back more than anything else. I've been underestimating what these hands can actually do. Maybe I don't need to stay in the stuck place anymore. And then now, let's finish it. No!
Let's put a divider on it and let's hang it and let's see how is it looking on. I'm excited, I cannot wait.
So I done the hanging, so let's look at it. Look at that! Guys, I almost didn't make it. Can you believe it? And I done it! My best ever frame, made from scratch, purely by me. Oh my God, I love it.
Heartbeat skips symphony. Hope takes hold, I see. We'll conquer all, hand in hand. You're the best of me. You're bright like sun through clouds.
I have to say that this frame isn't completely perfect, but you know what? Doesn't matter, right? Because we are not perfect. I created something different, special and unique. I added details which in the shop wouldn't exist. And I'm trying to capture piece of us, piece of happiness. And I'm so happy I challenged myself and didn't give up in the middle, because it is not a frame from a shop. Imperfection is actually the beauty. So So maybe you underestimate yourself in something else. Let me know, what did you do? And if anything else helped you. See you in the next video. Bye bye. And just last thing, remember your inner strength.